Hi, it's Gina from WTI. As I've gotten older into my 40s, I have started becoming more concerned about the fine lines and wrinkles that I see developing on my face. That's why I'm loving this red light therapy wand from SkinAngel. So what I've seen after using it consistently 3 times a week for 4 weeks is that my fine lines are starting to diminish, and especially around my mouth, my smile lines, that's what I've seen the most improvement with. Red light therapy has been proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and increase collagen. Now, it does take me about 25 minutes to do my chest area, neck, chin, cheeks, whole face, under eyes, etc. But what I found is it's so warm and soothing. I don't mind at all just sitting in front of the TV and rubbing the wand on my face. Usually I do it in a circular motion, and I make sure to do it on clean, dry skin, and it glides over really smoothly. As with any facial product, consistency is going to be absolutely key to see long-term results. So I'm very excited to see what happens in the next few months because I've already seen improvement. I think the SkinAngel Red Light Therapy Wand is essential for doing facials at home. I'm so excited that I've already seen results. I recommend it, and that's my point of view.